Hello and welcome to today's top performance slime video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys slimes from my restock, and the slimes in this restock are mostly going to be refreshing ones because I was just kind of like, I've been trying to do some themed restocks. So the theme for this restock is refreshing slimes, and there's a lot of like fluffy slimes in this one, so I'm so excited. As usual, before I start, I wanted to let you guys know about the discounts, and the largest order of the restock gets a free 16-ounce slime. There will be a 10% off all of the restock slimes from this video. If you buy 3 or more restock slimes, you will get a free 5-ounce slime. And if you buy 5 or more of any of the slimes in my shop, you will get a free 7-ounce slime. The first slime I'm going to be showing you guys is mint chocolate chip ice cream, which is a cloud dough slime mixed with like a jelly slime. So it is a little bit softer and lighter than just a cloud dough that's made with just white glue. So this one has some clear glue in it as well, so it's a little bit more jelly-like, and there's cookie pieces in it, there's Java chunks in it. It is colored this nice pretty green color, and it's scented just like mint chocolate chip ice cream. I really love this one because it reminds me of the ice cream so much. So if you're a fan of mint chocolate chip ice cream, this one is a must-have. Blue Raspberry Floam is a sort of mix between a blue raspberry slime and a blueberry slime, so it has a scent that is a wonderful mix of those two. It smells sweet and delicious. This is a full micro foam slime, and it has some medium foam beads, the darker purple ones, and it also has some blue marshmallow foam beads, and these add a wonderful texture to it. It comes blue and white layered, and once you mix it together, it becomes a really wonderful light blue color, and this slime is one of the especially refreshing ones in the restock. And if you're looking for a slime that would massage your hands while you play with it, I would recommend this one. This slime is super crunchy and comes with 2 half blue raspberry charms. Blue Cream Soda Float is a DIY clay jelly slime. I really have just like wanted to make a clay slime that was like, the base was a jelly slime, because I feel like the resulting texture is really interesting. It's soft and fluffy and just beautiful. This one has a white ice cream scoop on top. It comes with a cute gummy whale charm as well as a cherry charm, and the scent of this slime is blue cream soda. At first the base is kind of clear, but then after you mix the clay in, it becomes a light blue color and it becomes super fluffy as well. Confetti is a buttercream frosting slime, so it is scented like buttercream frosting, and it comes with a bunch of confetti sprinkles in it. They are all rainbow in color, and there's tons of them, so it's super fun. This is a fluffy and inflating slime. This is one of the first ones that I'm going to show you guys. I have a ton in this restock because I felt like I wasn't really having too many butter slimes or fluffy slimes in my previous restocks, so I wanted to have a bunch in this one, and this is one of them. Another fluffy and inflating slime is Hello Bear, which comes with some chocolate chip sprinkles and a cute little chocolate cookie bear charm that you can top it off with. And the scent is a mix between a chocolate chip and sugar cookies, so it's a little bit different than like just a typical chocolate chip cookie dough scent. After around 5 minutes of play, this slime becomes super fluffy and inflated and soft. Melon is a thick and glossy slime, and it comes with a 1 ounce clear slime on the side that is green, and you can top off your slime with it so that you can mix it all together. And the base is super glossy. It is scented like a fresh melon, and it smells so good. One of the most refreshing slimes in the restock for sure. The color becomes a little bit of a darker green after it's all mixed together, and it has some great bubble pops, ASMR, great pokes, and the scent of this one is probably my favorite in the restock. Cherry Lemonade is a layered icy slime, so on the bottom it is yellow and then on top it is red. It comes with a cherry charm and a lemon charm. I have a little bit of varying colors in the lemon charm. I do have some yellow ones, and then I have like pink ones, I'm pretty sure. And it is a little bit lower stock, so every order of this slime will come with a cherry charm, but only like the first few orders will come with the lemon charm. And it is scented like cherry lemonade, just like the name, and honestly the colors really look like a sunset almost, mixing them together. I didn't really like expect that beforehand, and it also looks like just like a slush. I really enjoy how this slime came out. Taro Milkshake comes with a whipped cream scented little topping slime. It's between 1.5 ounces and 2 ounces in the bag, and you can just top it off. It has sprinkles in it, and the base slime is scented like taro, and once you top it off, it looks like an adorable Taro Milkshake. And also, this is probably my favorite label of the restock. I really love this one, and I really love the color of this one. It's a dark purple. It becomes a little lighter once you mix in the whipped cream slime, and this slime is so fluffy. You guys will see this is probably the most inflating one in the restock and my favorite one, so I definitely recommend this one. I love taro a lot. Last but definitely not least, we have egg yolk, which is just basically a slime based off of egg yolks because it's satisfying and the egg yolk is super tasty. It is colored like an egg yolk and the texture is buttercream, so it's kind of like a mix between a sleigh slime and a cloud dough, but not quite a cloud dough. It's way softer, and I feel like this one just kind of looks like whipped egg yolks, and to me it's super satisfying. It's scented like corn chips. Doesn't smell exactly like eggs, but it's still a savory scent and it smells good, and I've had it in my slimes before and people have enjoyed it, so I figured it was a safe scent to put in this slime since I don't have like an identical egg slime, like an egg scent, I mean.